Oh, Jesus Christ, what now?
Hey everyone,
We don't care.
Dustin here with you again.
No.
And today, I like to talk about neighborhoods.
No.
Last night I was watching TV and a stupid commercial came on saying something
don't
about
care.
a black neighborhood.
We don't care.
Black this, black that,
We don't care. We don't care.
blackity,
We don't
black.
care. We don't care.
There is no such thing as a black neighborhood.
Shut up.
Black people,
We don't
most
care.
of them,
We don't care.
need to learn
We don't care.
that there are other human beings
We
out
don't
there
care.
besides them.
You need to shut up.
If you want to be black, that's fine.
Go get a job.
But you don't have to push your blackness on other
Oh my
people
God. We
non-stop.
don't care.
Neighborhoods have nothing to do
We didn't ask.
with certain ethnic groups of human beings.
We didn't ask.
There is no black God, no
We don't
Spanish
care.
God,
We don't care.
or any other type of God. There is only
Get a job. You're
one
racist.
God,
Get a
and
job.
that is the one who created all of us human beings.
Get a job.
There is no such thing
Get a
as a
job.
black neighborhood,
Get a
white
job.
neighborhood,
Get a
or
job.
any other ethnic
Get a
group
job.
related
Get a
neighborhood.
job.
A neighborhood
Get a
is
job.
a neighborhood.
Get a job.
All human lives
You're a loser.
matter,
You
not
suck. Get a job.
just
Get a job.
blacks.
Get a job. Quit
And
this.
all neighborhoods
I knew it.
matter.
I knew you'd be back.
All human lives matter,
I knew you'd be
not
back.
just certain
I knew you'd be
human
back.
lives.
I knew you would be back.
And
I
all
knew you'd be
neighborhoods
back.
matter,
I knew you'd be
not
back.
just
I knew
certain
you'd be back.
neighborhoods.
I knew you'd be back.
Alright?
I knew you'd be back.
Anyways, this is Dustin signing off.
Yeah, go get a
Enough
job.
said.
Go get a job. Get a job. I knew you'd be back.
Hello, everyone.
I knew
Dustin
you'd be
here,
back.
and today
I knew you'd be back.
I would like to talk about Chicago, Illinois' dumbass mayor,
We don't care.
Lori Lightfoot.
We don't care.
Mayor Lightfoot is a stupid mayor,
We don't care.
a stupid, dumbass mayor
You're the real
who
dumbass.
will not arrest rioters, looters,
Don't care.
smashing grabbers,
Don't
and
care.
other low-life criminal scumbags.
Go get a job.
She lets everybody,
Real
every
job.
low-life
Go get a job.
Chicago get away with anything.
You're a loser.
In my honest opinion,
We don't care.
Mayor Lightfoot needs
Go
to
get
be
a job.
replaced by a better mayor
Go get a
who
job.
can hire better police
Go
officers
get a job.
who can
You're a
really
loser.
take care of business.
You suck. Get a job. Shut up.
Mayor
We
Lightfoot
don't
looks
care.
creepy, demonic, and
We don't care.
boogie-eyed.
We don't care. You're even more
Just
of
by
a
looking
creepy.
at her.
What are you, an angry bird? Get a job.
Anyways, that's all I
Knock
got
it
to
off.
say about
Yep.
Mayor
Goodbye.
Lightfoot.
Goodbye. We don't care about you, Dustin.
This
None.
is Dustin
We
signing
don't care.
off.
We don't care.
See ya.
Get your angry bird face out of here. Pathetic ass loser. Look at this bastard. His face looks like an angry bird. He looks like an angry bird. And his nose looks like a beak.
Drama.
Like,
I am not in the...
look at this. I quit responding to jerks on YouTube. Here's why. And he's quitting, but guess what? What do you know? 2 days ago he said this. But then, 4 hours ago today, he posted 2 videos. I thought you said that you were quitting, Dustin Nunn. Apparently, I knew that you would lie. You're such a liar. How about you quit YouTube and go get a job? And quit being a loser. As you are. And get your Angry Bird face off YouTube. You're the one with the potato head and an Angry Bird nose. Get out of here. Loser.